This is the lockdown from Gerber. If it takes up space in your pocket, it better do more than cut. The lockdown has the ideal EDC formula: low profile, modern aesthetics, and solution-driven tools. It starts with a 2.5-inch plain edge blade with liner lock. You also get a replaceable number 11 utility blade and a file with a chisel edge. The lockdown is offered in 2 different tool packs: drive and pry. The lockdown drive includes a driver with a double-sided 1/4-inch bit and an awl. The lockdown pry features a multifunctional cast pry bar with a bottle opener, large and small flathead drivers, and a nail puller. You also get a spring-loaded scissor. Whatever comes up on the trail or in town, you're a pocket away from solving it with the lockdown.
Combar FoldaXe is a powerful yet streamlined outdoor multi-tool for chopping, splitting, and hammering. The cleverly engineered head allows transforming from a stowed position to a working function in seconds. The Combar FoldaXe is built with an uncompromising selection of materials, including 7075 T6 aircraft hard anodized aluminum and 420J2 stainless steel. Each element has been crafted expertly, undergoing rounds of iteration in our development process to be perfected. Combar FoldaXe Pro pairs the FoldaXe's base functionality with our signature Pro Kit, knife and saw, creating a genuinely elite tool for the core survival task. For weight-conscious pursuits like remote backpacking or camping, the Combar FoldaXe is a go-to piece of gear, providing heavy-duty function in a packable design.
Our mission is to provide our users with added capabilities wherever they go. And one thing that goes almost everywhere with us these days is our phone. We've partnered with PopSockets to create a convenient way to carry compact yet useful tools anywhere you take your cell phone. PopSockets are one of the most popular phone accessories out there. You simply stick a PopGrip onto the back of your phone to help you hold onto it more securely, or use it as a stand. They're so useful, 100 million of these have been sold. Our first tool is a custom multi-tool that integrates into the PopGrip. Its compact form factor is designed to solve common daily problems with 5 tools in one: bottle opener, pry bar, slotted screwdriver, with a 4mm and a 1/4-inch hex bit driver. Our patent-pending twist mag latching system not only keeps the tool securely in place until it's needed, it's also incredibly fidget-worthy.